Welcome to Build Your 3D. Build Your 3D is an online platform where anyone can create fully customizable 3D models directly in the browser. No CAD software. No design experience. Simply choose a product, adjust the dimensions and parameters, and instantly generate a model that perfectly fits your needs. Whether you're a maker, engineer, hobbyist, or professional, Build Your 3D makes custom design fast, easy, and accessible. On our homepage, you'll find a growing collection of parametric 3D models for many different applications. Every product is fully configurable. Instead of downloading a generic model, you create one that's built specifically for your project. You can preview every design in real time, adjust dimensions, download printable STL files, or order professionally manufactured parts directly through our platform. Our goal is simple: make custom 3D design available to everyone. Let's take a closer look at one of our most popular products, the Parametric electronics enclosure with screw lid, ventilation, and cable opening. This enclosure is ideal for Arduino projects, ESP32 controllers, sensor modules, IoT devices, relay boards, development electronics, and many other custom applications. Instead of modifying a CAD model yourself, you simply define your requirements and the enclosure is generated automatically. Let's configure a custom enclosure. We'll start with the enclosure width. Here we'll enter 110 millimeters. Next, the enclosure depth, 75 millimeters. For the enclosure height, we'll use 38 millimeters. Now we define the wall thickness. A value of 2.4 millimeters provides a strong enclosure while maintaining good internal space. The lid clearance determines how tightly the lid fits. We'll use 0.4 millimeters, which is a common value for FDM 3D printing. Next comes the cable opening. We'll choose a diameter of 10 millimeters, allowing cables to pass cleanly through the front wall. Now we define the PCB dimensions. The circuit board width is 50 millimeters, and the PCB length is 30 millimeters. These values automatically position the internal mounting posts for the electronics. After entering the parameters, the model is recalculated automatically. Within seconds, the complete enclosure is generated. You can immediately inspect the 3D model from every angle. Zoom in, rotate the model, and verify that the enclosure matches your requirements before downloading or ordering. The integrated viewer also provides several helpful tools. You can enable measurements to verify the overall dimensions, display the coordinate system, preview different material appearances, review automatic geometry checks, and view production estimates such as size, volume, and estimated weight. These tools help validate your design before manufacturing. When you're satisfied with your design, you have two options. Download the STL files instantly for your own 3D printer, or request a professional 3D printing quote and have the finished parts manufactured and delivered to your door. At Build Your 3D, custom 3D models are generated in minutes instead of hours of CAD work. Start designing today at buildyour3d.com.